XXL, this shit crazy.
Yo, she look bad every day, chains all up in her face.
Alright chat, we're here.
What's up guys, back with another video. Right, come here. Our special guest. Today we're gonna make what is it? What are we making? We're making like a cookie thing. Cookie cake. And we got another guest coming later on as well, but I kind of forgot the Nutella that I was supposed to buy. So we're gonna run down to the shops again and grab some Nutella. Butter, brown sugar, and sweetener.
On pics, she look bad every day, chains all up in her face,
Right chat, we are quiet.
been face,
What'd you get? Dark chocolate bits. Okay chat, we got brown sugar, 2 bits of chocolate bits, baking powder, this, whatever that is, plain flour, white sugar, butter, and Nutella.
It's like you see like these these squares kinda. That's the how many Nutella drops we have. Also, you're putting one on each. Yes. Oh. Show them what it's like dough balls. Oh, it looks like a bad pizza, bro. First we do a half teaspoon. Oh, that's not mine. Okay.
A few moments.
I knew what we got. No. Yes. Nothing come up. First step, we're putting these in the Nutella. Half? A spoon?
Half. I'm just gonna get more because I'm taking crab. Oh my
Oh
god.
my! I was supposed to take off the other one.
This is so romantic. Send it. Holy aim, bro. Just put it in the middle,
Stop
buddy.
moving, bro.
Oh my god.
Bro, nah, this one needs more, bro. This one needs more.
No.
Yes, bro, look at that.
That's okay. No, that one
That,
needs
bro.
more. Yeah,
Look at
because
that.
I'm house food. No, we're just gonna put a big spoon and everything. No, put this on here. We're gonna make it fuller because it's fat. Now, you like
Just fold it on.
put it like up and then. Oh yeah, wait, just lift it.
Uh-huh.
Send it. Do we have these small balls? Like, that look like kangaroo balls? Oh, it's going out. I'm actually tweaking. I'm so done. Right. Don't get the corners. It's going out.
Gotcha.
In the fridge.
It's gonna be 200 and what? 30? 240.
Buddy.
Oh.
Holy aim.
Bro. $106.7. Oh my gosh. Chat, bro, we have to put 160 grams of sugar and 160 grams of this.
So 300.
300 grams of sugar. And this is not including the Nutella and those. Oh, it's like chunky. you know what else is chunky? Ha ha ha, fine. Why is it like that though? No. Oh my god. Just wait, do we mix it? I wanna mix it. Oh no.
So this is fluffy. Fluffy hair.
Fluffy hair. So when are we supposed to put the flour in?
You can put it in at any time. I just want to mix it more because it looks good and it feels nice.
We're putting
So we have the egg and we crack it.
Why are you putting it down there?
Because put it down there.
This is what we're working with.
Teaspoon.
Is it
So we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, whoa, careful, careful! Oh! Put a bit more.
Just a little bit. Better not be too much.
Oh, oh, oh! So this is like... What was that, bro? What was that?
Ooh.
What was that? That's vanilla, bro.
Let's get some texture. So we have Chucky Chickies. Dark and light, and that's both him because I'm white. We need 450.
The whole thing. We're putting the whole thing in.
400 grams of chocolate plus 600 grams of sugar and butter.
Why is that one
Oh,
of
this
these?
actually so. Actually feels like I burned my tongue. And there was just one drop. Like that. So unhealthy. Yes, for real.
This is literally... This is like 100% sugar and like 100% sugar. Let's put some lettuce in this. Make it healthy.
Oh, lettuce is not even healthy. Bro.
Lettuce is healthy.
Lettuce has nothing in it. It's not unhealthy, but
Lettuce is from a tree though.
475 grams of plain flour. Okay. 475. Put. Oh my god. Okay, 475.
Oh, I think we might need the whole. That's all big. We're gonna use the whole thing, bro. It's filling up.
Okay, 475. 71, 72. I got everything right. So I have to get 70.
Guys, bro,
I failed. Oh, 74.
look how much freaking flour we put in.
This feels way too much.
Bro, what is the salt gonna do?
But this is so much. No. I don't think so.
Bro, you were probably not even gonna taste it.
Bro, I can't even see it. Oh my god. Hello? Don't put in too much, it will like go, everything will go out. Oh my god. I think it's fine. Just not the whole thing, bro. You don't need the whole thing.
This guy switched to his hands, bro. Low-key, it's coming along good. This is what the dough is looking like.
It's frozen.
Frozen balls. Well, you want me to make the balls?
Yes.
Fast eating balls. So I just put on.
Put this as backup music.
I know she knows. I know she knows. Okay. Look at these balls, bro.
Okay, now we wait 1 hour.
Later.
Alright, what's up, YouTube? We got our special guest. We got Devin in the chat. Bro, we went through a little side quest. We went like trash bagging, and then we went we jumped in the pool. It didn't go good. It didn't actually go really good. And then we actually had a shower together. We're about to throw the cookies into the oven. These are them right now. I'll see you when they're done. Let's go.
Okay, wait. So just like...
Yeah, just go on. Oh. Reveal?
Oh my god, I should do that. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh shit, this one. It's actually really good.
Chocolate milk chocolate, what?
It was actually way
More.
too filling, so we got more of that. Alright, we're finishing the video off. It was a success. Subscribe, like, comment, turn your notifications on, and thanks for watching.
So this shit crazy.
Yo, she look bad every day, Chains all up in her face, She